Just listed in Mattawan Walking in UC, a sun-filled living room with bay window. Family room with fireplace is connected to the kitchen with sliding door to the patio and pool. Kitchen with updated floors, appliances, light fixtures, and countertops. The pantry was a half bath that could be converted back. Plumbing is there. On the main floor are 2 spacious bedrooms, a master suite with connected bath. LL is the place to hang out and, with living area, bar, daylight windows and room for a pool table. Backyard with large deck, pergola, and an amazing in-ground pool, perfect for pool parties or relaxing by in the summertime. New pool pump and motor 2021, pool filter 2022. Other updates include roof 2017, floors 2018, furnace, AC and hot water heater 2018, 200